So, as you know, we just read the book Sister Anne's Hands, which introduced us to the topic of diversity. At the end of the story, the little student Anna drew a picture for her teacher, Miss Anne. She represented her hand by making it white with spots on it to show her freckles, and she represented Miss Anne's hand by coloring it brown. And at the very end of the story, the student Anna talks about how now, whenever she draws people's hands, she makes them all different colors and patterns and designs in order to show how everybody is diverse. So today we are going to do a project that goes along with this story. You are going to have the opportunity to make your own hand and use lots of different supplies to show things that interest you.
In order to make this project, we are going to use these materials. We're going to need one yellow sheet of paper, one pair of scissors, one glue stick, a couple of your favorite colors and markers. You're also going to need some stickers with different pictures on them and different magazines or scraps of magazines. We're going to use our scissors to cut out scraps of magazines, just like we would use our stickers to put on our hand that we're going to trace.
All right, so the first step in our project is we're going to trace our hand. So you want to put your hand kind of towards the bottom of your paper and then take a black or gray marker and trace around all of your fingers. You want to make sure that your fingers are nice and spread out so that way there's spaces between them. And when you're tracing, make sure you do it pretty slowly, because if you try to go too fast, it'll be easy to mess up your hand outline. So once you've traced your hand, you want to write your name at the very top of your paper.
All right, class, for step 2 of this project, we're going to need some of our favorite magazines, and we're going to need a pair of scissors and a glue stick. We're going to take our scissors and we're going to flip through the magazines and cut out pieces that resemble who we are, or our favorite animals, or our favorite words, or silly sayings that we like. And we're going to take our glue stick and we're going to glue on our little tracings of magazines onto our hand wherever we want. And it can be anything you want, like the Starbucks right here.
All right, class, so now that you have cut all of your magazine clippings out and glued them onto our hands, we are going to pick some of our favorite stickers and stick them onto the hands and use the markers to decorate and color our hands also.
Okay, class, now that we've done all the steps to make our diversity hand, we each have our own diversity hand that tells everybody about ourselves. Now you can hang this up and show everybody who you are.